Ziti con pesto di cavolo nero e pancetta croccante. A little bit of oil. Let's crush some garlic, slices of bacon, pancetta, whatever you have. I love Italian parsley. It's good for you. It tastes good, and it's abundant. You can get it year-round. So, you know, sometimes it's underestimated, but parsley is really very healthy for you. And dinosaur kale, this cavolo nero, as we call it in Italy. These are only the leaves. You can chop it a little, but the machine will do the work, just like that. And some garlic cloves. Okay, let's make a pesto. Okay, some olive oil here. Okay, yes. So. And the one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to cook the pesto. Let's add some salt. Okay, and the bacon is nice and crispy. Let me just drain out some of the fat. A nice sauce. And this is where I will add the pasta too. I'm gonna put a little peperoncino in the basic sauce, just like that. The pasta is al dente. And toss the pasta with the bacon. And add the pesto right in there. Just a little bit of cheese on top, just like that. In its simplicity, it's quite complex in flavor. You have the bacon, you have the cavolo nero, the garlic, the peperoncino, the cheese. Everything comes into harmony.